Alright, so let's see, this little smoke down here. Smoke around the front. I thought one of these hives had an internal feeder, if not two of them. Probably not the ones with the supers on them. Look at all that. Man, that looks really good. Let's do this right here. Small hive beetle, kill. So it's 10 frames. Let's see what the one on the very edge over here looks like. This is how I determine if I'm going to pull a whole box or not. I'll look at the edge. If the edge frames are capped, I know the whole box is probably ready to go. Tell you what, look at that. That's a ton of honey there, buddy. I'd want that to be capped. I probably wouldn't harvest this frame, but I mean, you could. It's probably ready. You do the shape test. I probably would still harvest that. All right. Let's pop this super, and it's heavy. It's like I hear ducks behind me. All right, this internal feeder, I don't have enough to fill up one of these with me, but so that reminds me, I'm not going to harvest this stuff. I'm going to leave it because it's probably got, it would be just like, this is a gallon. This is going to give me 4 or 5 gallons. They're not using all of that for storage. It'd be a small percentage. But it might be 10%, but I still don't want to do it that way. I need to take, if I take these off first before I break the box down to the bottom box, I'll forget to break the box down. So that's why I'm not taking